The Great Barrier Reef is an iconic ecosystem known throughout the world. It's one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. It's one of the key carbon sinks in the world's ecosystems. The Australian Institute of Marine Science and the SeaSim are world renowned in the field of marine biology, particularly when it comes to coral reefs and tropical marine systems. The Sea Simulator is a sophisticated experimental aquarium facility. The work that we're actually undertaking at the moment is world leading. Part of our role here is to look at what are those pressures that exist for the reef right now and how it's going to impact the reef going forward. It's also really important economically. The reef has been valued at over $56 billion. Annually, it's worth about $5.6 billion each year to the Australian economy and employs over 60,000 people either directly or indirectly.
It's really important for Siemens to provide all the tools necessary to AIMS and to SeaSim to be able to better understand exactly what those impacts of global warming are.
The SeaSim utilises sophisticated industrial process automation equipment. We're able to create conditions in our tanks that are very, very similar to what we see on the reef. Creating those conditions are as close as possible to the field so that the data generated, the response of those corals, is going to be as close to what will happen in the future on the reef as can possibly be. This space will enable us to do larger scale experiments than what we've been able to do to date. One of the key pieces of work is the scaling up of deploying corals onto the reef for reef restoration. The experiments in these spaces will be controlled by local PLCs, which will feed back to our Siemens PCS7 SCADA system.
In Australia, PCS7 is used in a range of different industries and a range of different applications. And it's fantastic to see that AIMS is using it to assist them with controlling the processes behind the SeaSim. We believe that AIMS is a global leader in marine research. Whatever they're doing in Australia can be used globally to come up with solutions to protect the marine biology of various countries, various oceans, and really to help save corals globally.